Welcome to this lecture based on preposition. After in, we will study these prepositions in relation to time. After means at the end of a period of time in the past. In means at the end of a period of time in future. For example, he returned the book after a week. You find that there is a period of time that is denoted here, a week, and the sentence is in the past tense, and we have to show the end of this period of time. So we I have used here after because the sentence is in the past tense. So whenever any sentence is in the past tense and you have to show at the end of any period of time, you have to use after. You will not use in. He returned the book after a week means he returned the book at the end of a week. I shall return your book in a week. So you find that here the sentence is in future. That's why I have used here in to show the end of a period of time, that is here a week. So if the sentence is in future and we have to show the end of a week, the end of a period of time, we have to use in. If the sentence is in the past and we have to show the end of a period of time, we have to use after. So this is the basic difference between after and in relation to time. Next, for, from, since. For is used before a noun denoting a period of time with all tenses. Means if there is a noun that denotes a period of time, we have to use for before that. It doesn't matter in which tense that sentence is. In all tenses we can use for to show period of time. From is used before a noun or phrase denoting a point of time. It is used in all tenses. From is used to show point of time, and it can be used in all tenses. Just like for, it can be used in all tenses. So for is used to show period of time, and from is used to show point of time. Since is used before a noun or phrase denoting some point of time and is always preceded by a verb in the perfect continuous tense or third form of a verb. Means since is used to show the point of time. Means if there is a noun that shows point of time, before that we have to use since, but it can be used only in present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. It can be used only in present perfect and past perfect. Means in perfect continuous tense and perfect tense of present and past, since can be used. In future, since cannot be used. So you have to keep in your mind that if the sentence is in present perfect continuous or past perfect continuous, and in present perfect tense or past perfect tense, and in that there is a point of time, so we have to use since there. And if the tense is different, means that simple present tense, present continuous tense, simple future tense, and in that you have to, if you want to show the point of time, you have to use from. So in future we can't use from. For example, we can see here that one more point I would like to add here. From is generally followed by to or till. Means when there is two time, from one point of time to another time, something is going on and we have to show. So generally we use from to or from till. For example, we have been playing cards for 2 hours. Here you find that 2 hours, it shows period of time. That's why here for has been used, because before period of time we have to use for. Next example, my elder brother has been ill for 4 days. Here you find that 4 days, it's a period of time, that's why for has been used. She has lived in Mumbai for 4 years. Here 4 years is a period of time, that's why for has been used. We play from 5 a.m. to 6 p.m. from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. every day. You find that here two times are given, means 5 p.m. and 6 p.m. So the action generally takes place from this point of time to this point of time. So to show from one point of time to another point of time, we have to use from to's. That's why here from has been used and to has been used. Will your school remain closed from tomorrow till the 25th of March? The same thing happens here. Okay, from, you know that from tomorrow till 25th March, one point of time to another point of time. I have been reading this book since morning. Here you find that morning is the point of time, and the sentence is in present perfect continuous. That's why here since has been used. My father has been teaching in this school since 1972. 1972, it's indicate point of time and it is in the present perfect continuous. That's why here since has been used. So we have studied in this video prepositions after, in, from, for, since. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video we will study other preposition. Thank you so much for watching this video.